Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.